Hello everyone, it's Great King and welcome to my video on how to promote your business locally. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 steps of how to promote your business locally, and in a moment, give you examples of how you can effectively move your campaign, your advertising campaign, to the first page of the #1 and #2 search engines in the world. Ever since the COVID outbreak that's occurred, buyer habits have dramatically shifted from going in person to a retail store or a place of business onto going online and searching before they actually commit to a service, product, or retail good. And what this opportunity allows is for you and your local business to actually be in the cutting edge of this new style of shopping. Now, you're going to be able to get close to 47% visibility, and this has occurred now because stats have shown that before the COVID outbreak, that 47% of the people would check Google and YouTube first. And since this has happened, there's once again been a shift that people will start buying from home. So that 47% has probably gone up more like the 70 to 80%. And as you can see, if you can be on the front page of Google and YouTube, you're going to have a dramatic advantage over your competition. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to create a new YouTube channel for your business. Now, most people have a YouTube channel, and that's a domestic channel, but you want to be able to actually define your business more than just having it in a domestic setting. Second is to make an interesting thumbnail. Now, what a thumbnail is kind of similar to a title that is a photographic title, and it's got to be something that stands out amongst the crowd. Similar as if everyone's wearing black and a woman walks in in a pink dress, she'll command that attention. Third is ask viewers to subscribe. Now, you want to have happy customers, and if happy customers are happy customers, they'll be more than willing to subscribe to your channel. And also, the more subscribers you have, the more likely YouTube and Google will like your channel. Now, there's no doubt that if you want to do this for free and get on the first page of Google and of YouTube, you're going to have to put some playlists together, and you're going to have to do probably between 8 and 10 videos, real simple videos on why your product, service, or retail outlet is #1 in the area. Next is learn about your audience. Well, you should know about your audience by now, and you want to target it very exclusively. So when you do something, don't say clothes for the everyone. Say red dresses that fit from 0 to size 7, and they're for women that are going to proms. Something very descriptive in your caption. Research your competition. Once again, if you're selling a widget and you know your competition is selling widgets for $1.99 and they're made overseas, you may want to say and actually advertise that your widgets are made in North America and they're only 99 cents. So you want to trash the competition with kindness. Next is pick the right title, and keywords matter. And that's something I go over a little more in depth in my book, my ebook, which I'm going to actually put online. It's a bonus, it's free, and it'll go a little more in depth of how to pick keywords. And a keyword is something that when people put in on a title on the search, that your video and your advertising will come first. Now, the great thing about it is what I've noticed is when putting in the right keywords, you have to be a little more specific again, but those keywords will just automatically populate on Google and on Facebook. Now, if you want to get a little deeper into this system, I've attached the book, which is How to Promote Your Business Locally on YouTube. And I find that if you go to YouTube first, because YouTube and Google are owned by the same parent company, if you start to post and start to rank on YouTube, you definitely will start to rank on Google. Now, why I mentioned about this, because I'm going to show you a couple of items and a couple of examples of how this happens. It's completely free, and you'll notice that it's very effective and it gets you results almost immediately. Now, the first example is an organically posted a posted video, which I did, was how to use social media for small business marketing. And what happened, it went organically, and as you can see here, this is the page that I Googled in, I actually put in, then there's some ads that have been paid for. Now I have ranked number 4 on the first page in just one day. So you can see how effective this can be. The second example is, once again, it's organically posted. There are some ads that are paid for, and I came down and I ranked number 3 with my how to promote business on Google in 18 hours. Now, the third example is, once again, hit number 3, ranked on the first page, and this occurred in 7 minutes. The fourth example is I organically posted again, the first page, ranked 3 again, on to how to advertise your business on YouTube, and that ranked in just 4 minutes. So you can understand how effective this process could be, and the question goes out, would this make a difference to your business? Now things will start to get a little more juicy, and I'll show you the next 2 examples, and that is how to advertise your business on YouTube for free. And that organically posted again. That posted number 4. And the craziness about it is it ranked on the first page organically in 1 minute. Not only that, but my other video now has ranked number 3. So the top 4 videos, 50% are mine. Now the next one is number 6, example 6, and this is organically posted again. First page, ranked number 3, and that occurred in just 7 minutes. And this is the one right now where it says how to promote your business locally on YouTube. Now the cool thing about it is I also ranked number 4 and number 6. So 50% of the organic listings here are now mine. Now, the obvious question is, if you were to rank in the top 50% of all organic posts in YouTube and Google, how would that affect your business? How would that affect your business in regards to your competition? Now, on my next video, I'm going to show you the steps it'll take to get you ranked on Google, and once again, for free. I hope you stay tuned. If you found this video informative and of value, please hit the notification button, the subscribe button, and the like button, and we will see you in the next video.